Hello everyone, welcome back to episode 12 of the IMP series, and today I'm working with Alex on the IMP and he's going to explain to us what we're doing.
Hello young Prevvie. Actually, hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
My name's Alex. I haven't been in a lot of the IMP videos of the past, so we've got a new sort of timetable going on. So we've got 3 teams, 2 people in each team, each taking turns each week for a bit more than an hour. By the time you got the tools out, we were struggling to actually get anything done. So we've got half a day, a week spent on the IMP with each team. Today, obviously we've got our cross brace up here. We need to make some sort of support that's going to bolt in there and mount the back of the engine up to that cross brace. Obviously the gearbox sits on the original subframe, so that's all mounted up. So we've got a nice datum point to sort of build up off of. So what we're going to do is we're going to head next door. I have an idea. Ready?
Oh jeez.
Good afternoon. Join me today in a warm, welcoming machine shop. We are here today in the machine shop. We're not next door. We are working on the IMP, but myself and Prevvie behind the camera.
Hello.
You've got to flip it around, Prevvie.
Hello.
Hello. No, and you didn't start the video with a double chin.
Double chin.
Yeah, in all the videos, start like, I'm Alex from Engineering, here's my double chin. Yeah, we're here today in the machine shop. Basically, so we've got Ben and Luke are sort of working on the electrical side of things, the loom side of things. Prevvie and Matt have been working sort of underside, doing a bit of welding, a few repairs that are needed under there. And then Prevvie and myself have been working on sort of the engine cradle for the last couple of weeks. So this week we're turning up some bushes. So we're actually using the bush that comes out of one of Hack Engineering's own products, the E46M3 exhaust hanger. So we've taken the bush out of that and the circlips that we keep in stock for those, and turned up this new metal housing here. So this will actually bolt onto the engine, and then we'll fabricate a frame that is connected to this bush in here that then goes onto the cradle we've made at the back. We should give the engine a bit of play, but not a lot. We don't want too much. That's about what we've been doing in here. We won't do any other video of it happening because it makes loads of noise. And yeah, basically we're using the old Colchester and turning some bits up. Anything to add, Prevvie?
I don't think so.
Did I miss any vital important bits of information?
I don't think so.
No, it'll be good. If we've done one, obviously here's one finished article. We've got the other one to finish, and then we'll be able to bolt these onto the engine, and then we'll be able to do a dry build of the engine in the vehicle, in the IMP. And from there, actually, it's putting drive shafts in, and the dry build's actually heading along quite nicely indeed. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I didn't forget, Prevvie. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Click that if you move the video. Like, subscribe, and check out the channel. On YouTube and Pro.
Yeah, boom.